Hello family, it's your boy Ojinga Carr, CEO of Epiphany Consulting LLC, here with another thoughtful Thursday here on the grind. I'm in Paducah, Kentucky, getting a chance to do some training on HR topics as well as some management and leadership topics. Really having a great time here and having a great time living my dream. Want to talk to you real quick about a thought that I ran across. I got to read to you. It is amazing. It comes from Barbara Hall. And it says, because you're in control of your life, don't ever forget that. You are what you are because of the conscious and the subconscious choices that you have made. You are what you are because of the conscious and subconscious choices that you've made. It goes right back to all the things we've been talking about as far as getting through the musical interlude and as far as goal setting. We are where we are on purpose, no matter what. Nothing has accidentally happened to you. Nothing has accidentally taken you to those levels. So we are where we are. So just like in my book, Think and Grow Rich, one of my favorite books, where it talks about change is just as easy as turning over a glass. Let's make a conscious choice to actually move in our lives, to actually get to the places where we're trying to go. Man, this has been such a blessing to me, this entire experience, getting a chance to move and just really thinking about freedom. Being financially free, being emotionally free. It's one of the biggest things. It's a wonderful feeling. I invite you to join me on this journey and that ability to be able to do that. Once again, it's your boy Ojinga Carr, and with Epiphany Consulting, got some unbelievable things happening. Get ready to make some big changes to our Facebook page, doing some things social media wise that are completely different. Look for all those different things. We're out here all across the country handling all of your HR needs. Look us up at epiphanyconsulting.biz. Like us on Facebook because we're going to have a lot of positive things that are out there for you. Have a phenomenal weekend, and we'll see you again for AHA Monday. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.